Okay, welcome to New Tech Programming. This video is about game development, the industry of $389.7 billion. Now tell me, you've played at least one game in your entire life. Here I am talking about video games, not physical games. Well, sometimes you are curious about how the developers make these games, and you also want to be a game developer. So, this video is for you. Before we start, I mentioned to you that the game development is not an easy job, because a game is a combination of multimedia and programming. The game developers have to work on sound, design, animation, and coding. Those items are the game elements, just like HTML elements. So learn it with patience. Here you can see how much code I need to write to make just a snake game in the browser. I hope you understand. Now, here is my question. What do you find in a game? Graphic, sound, music, texture, levels, story, points, and fun. To make a game, programmers combine them and place them with the help of programming. You can think it is like a film, and a scriptwriter decides who will play which role and say which dialogue. In the same way, programmers determine character speed, jump height, game levels, progress, events, enemies, and bosses. For example, if we think about the Super Mario game, our character Mario is actually a graphics sprite. Here the programmer can determine how much damage will take from an optical, and how many points she will gain at each level through coding. So where do you start from? Here are the steps. 1. Idea and concept. 2. Game design. 3. Development tools. 4. Assets. 5. Programming. 6. Testing. 7. Team. 8. Time and budget. 9. Marketing and distribution. Don't worry, I will make videos about all 9 steps. Just subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.